Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring you a tutorial on how to cut a stylish underbust asymmetric princess dart bustier blouse. So get seated, relax and watch this video to the end. Materials needed are fabrics up to 2 yards, paper for drafting, scissors, staple, fabric stock or tailor's chalk. Fold your paper into two. Draft a full-scale bodice as shown above. Mark neckline of 3 by 3 as shown. Contour the under bust as shown. Connect it down to the waist as seen here. Connect the princess dart as seen here. Connect the style line from below waist to dart leg as shown here. Connect the yoke as seen here. Cut it out. It should look like this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos.